Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, you've probably hit that annoying roadblock where your credit card just won't work at the gas station. It's 2025 now, and you'd think technology would have fixed this by now, but glitches still happen. Don't worry. I'm here to walk you through simple, effective fixes that can get you pumping gas in no time. This issue often stems from card readers, security protocols, or even your bank's settings, but the good news is, most problems are easy to resolve. First things first, start with the basics. Make sure your card is properly inserted or swiped. At many stations, you need to dip the chip instead of swiping the magnetic strip. It's a security feature that's become standard. If that doesn't work, check if the pump is asking for your zip code. Enter it correctly, as mismatched information can trigger a decline. This is especially common with cards that have enhanced fraud protection. Next, verify your card's status. Log into your banking app or call your issuer to ensure there are no holds, fraud alerts, or temporary blocks. Sometimes, after a big purchase or travel, banks flag transactions for safety. If you're using a rewards or prepaid card, double-check if it's compatible with gas station readers, as some older systems still have limitations. If the problem persists, try a different pump or payment method. Many stations allow you to pay inside the store first, which can bypass the pump reader altogether. Once you're done, go back to your card and see if it works then. Sometimes, the system just needs a reset. In more advanced cases for 2025, consider updating your card's contactless features or enabling mobile wallet options like Apple Pay or Google Pay at the pump. These are becoming more widespread and can avoid traditional reader issues. Remember, if nothing works, contact the gas station's customer service or your bank's 24/7 support for immediate help. There you have it. Quick fixes to get your credit card up and running at gas stations. By following these steps, you'll save time and frustration on your next fill-up. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below with your experiences, and don't forget to subscribe for more everyday tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.